Muckle Flugga is a lighthouse in the Shetland Islands, and it more or less marks the very northernmost limit of the United Kingdom. I'd never heard of it until recently when I listened to an interview on the radio with the cricket-loving lighthouse keeper of Muckle Flugga, and I guess an idea for a micro-adventure was born from that. So I set out in the week of the summer solstice with my friend Joe to try and travel through the Shetland Isles from the bottom to the top by folding bicycle and folding boat. And our destination was Muckle Flugga. Crossings from island to island in our packrafts were short, but they were made quite dangerous by swift currents and poor visibility, and there were plenty of perfectly good ferries available. But chucking a dollop of risk, discomfort and a bit of physical effort into life is no bad thing, and we wanted to earn our Muckle Flugga sunset.
Floating in the harbour, wash the night. Shining stars and sweeping the corners, feeding on the plankton. The moon is a lantern, I follow its pattern. Mellow sonar floating in the open water.
Day 3, and we've had some dry weather. Yesterday was quite hard. Ended up a bit of a misery plod towards the end of the day yesterday. But we're here on Yell, we're camped up, we're all dry, and we're gonna go for another little paddle today.
Closer to the planet's core. I am the buffalo, through the ocean I do roam.
So we got into the pub yesterday and we were soaking wet, it was freezing cold, and there's loads of locals sitting there, Morris, Bob, Dave, all buying each other rounds of drinks, and the minute we said we wanted to paddle across the Sound of Blue, oh no, you can't do that, and a lot of warnings. The bar lady thought we were insane, and I must say I sat in my tent last night and I thought we might be insane. I was quite worried in all honesty about the crossing today, but sunny day, it was almost no pull at all, and we paddled across like we were on our summer holidays. So I think we'll make it now. Having a lovely time. Love you, Mum. What else do I say, Al? I feel like I say something more.
This micro-adventure was a little bit daft, but it also showed me the rewards of going out to discover your own country and using a bit of imagination to explore the familiar. It also proved that even in our over-busy, overcrowded 21st century, there are still brilliant pockets of wildness right here in Britain.
And so we come to the end The last 4 kilometres is without a road. A little bit of a misery push for the Brompton.
It's been quite an amazing year this, and as has happened so often this year, I've been astounded at the beautiful places that are here in Britain, and also really surprised at how adventurous it's possible to be in just a short amount of time without going very far. Camped here right on the very, very northern tip of Unst, the northernmost inhabited part of Britain, and it's quite simply one of the most beautiful campsites I've ever had in my life, not just in Britain but in my life. It's absolutely stunning. Below me there's puffins, there's gannets, they're flying around, the water is a beautiful blue foaming to white, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous place. This is just one of the best micro adventures that I've ever had. It's absolutely stunning.
What am I doing? Mom! Help me! Humphrey's got me! I don't want to go in the water!